It definitely becomes annoying when the brightness keeps changing randomly on iPhones. But don't worry, this video will help you fix just that. For many users, brightness keeps changing even when auto brightness is off. Let's see how to fix it. On your iPhone, open Settings and navigate to Accessibility. Now tap on Motion. Turn off the toggle next to Dim Flashing Lights. Next, you should also try turning off the Attention Awareness feature, as it could also be responsible for changing the brightness on your iPhone. To turn off this feature, open Settings on your iPhone, navigate to Accessibility. Now tap on Face ID and Attention. Finally, turn off the toggle for Attention Aware features. Lastly, if your iPhone keeps switching to a warmer color at any particular time of the day, there are chances that the night shift schedule feature is enabled. To turn it off, open Settings on your iPhone. Navigate to Display and Brightness. Now tap on Night Shift. Finally, turn off the toggle for Scheduled to see if this fixes the issue. Hopefully, these fixes help you to fix the brightness automatically changing or dimming on your iPhone. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos lined up and curated for you.